In today's lecture, we are going to see some different type of sums. In these sums, instead of AP, some other condition will be given to us. Now, let's see our first question. Sum of first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Now, we will begin the sum with let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given AP. Now, what is given to us? Given sum S of how many terms? 55. That is S of 55 is equal to 3300. Now, since they have given us the value of S of 55, first we will apply the formula of S of n. We know S of n is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, therefore, S of 55 is equal to, value of n is 55, 55 upon 2. We don't know the value of a and d, so we'll keep it as it is, n 55 minus 1 into d. Therefore, S of 55 is equal to 55 upon 2, 2a plus 55 minus 1 is 54 into d. Now, we know the value of S of 55, 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2. Now, if you observe the terms in the bracket are 2a plus 54d. So, we can take 2 common. A plus 54 divided by 2. We are taking 2 common. It means we are dividing by 2. So, 54 upon 2 is 27. Now, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, 3300 is equal to 55 in the bracket A plus 27D. Now, this 55 is getting multiplied here. If we transfer it to the left hand side, it will get divided. 3300 upon 55 is equal to A plus 27D. Therefore, 55 1s are 55 6s are 60 is equal to A plus 27D. Equation number 1. Now, what we have done, they had given us the value of S of 55. So, we applied the formula of S of n and we got the equation A plus 27D is equal to 60. Now, what is our main question? We have to find out the 28th term. Now, for finding out any term of an AP, we have seen the formula T of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Since we have to find out the value of 28th term, T of 28 is equal to A plus 28 minus 1 into D. That is equal to A plus 27D. Now, we know the value of A plus 27D, that is equal to 60. Therefore, T of 28 is equal to 60. Therefore, 28th term of given AP is 60. Now, if you observe in this sum, we were not knowing the value of A, we are not knowing the value of D, then too we found out the value of T of 28. Now, let's see the second sum. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 30th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. Now, again we will begin the sum with let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given AP. What is given to us? 19 term. So I can say T of 19 is equal to 52. T of 38 is equal to 128. Now first we will apply the formula for T of n. So we know what is T of n? A plus n minus 1 d. Therefore I can say T of 19 will be A plus. Now we are omitting one step. Directly we will write what is the value of n? 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. 18d. Substitute the value of T of 19. 52 is equal to A plus 18d. Equation number 1. Similarly, what will be T of 38? A plus 38 minus 1, 37d. Therefore 128 is equal to A plus 37d. Equation number 2. Now normally what we do, we know two equations in A and D. We try to solve these equations and we get the value of A and D. But instead of solving this equation, we can use one smart way. Now since we have to find out the sum of first 56 terms, now if you remember or if you are able to recollect the formula for S of n, S of n formula is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we need the value of 2a. So what I am doing, I am adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So what I will get? 52 plus 128, 180. A plus A, 2A. 18 plus 37, 55D. This is my equation number 3. Now we have to find out the sum of first 56 terms. So we will use the formula of S of n. Now S of n is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S of 56 is equal to 56 upon 2, 2a. 56 minus 1 is 55 into d. That is equal to 56 upon 2 is 28 multiplied by, now directly we know the value of 2a plus 55d, that is 180. Let's multiply it. Therefore 18 8 za 144, 18 2 za 36, 36 plus 14 is 50, 5040. Therefore sum of first 56 terms of given AP is 5040. So in this sum, what was the main step? That instead of solving these two equations, what we did, we added the equation 1 and 2. Why we added the equation 1 and 2? Because ultimately we had to find out the formula for S of n. The formula for S of n is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So by adding, I directly got a plus a, that is 2a, and 18 plus 37, that is 55. I directly substituted the value and I got my final answer.